Hi guys, so I just washed my hair. Don't know why I'm so happy. It is finals week and I'm going through hell right now, like actual hell. So I just got some Africa's Best products. This is what we're gonna get into today. Now this is kind of like a leave-in styler, and I got some edge gel from the Honey and Castor line. Now, usually I don't really use edge gels because I don't lay my edges a lot, like you'll see in a lot of my videos and styles. You're never gonna see me, you never, just never. I might pull like a little bit of baby hairs out, but I don't really lay my edges too much. So I'll just probably use this to slick it back a little bit. Gonna do like a little updo with some perm rods. Just wanna see how it smells.
No bother. Empty again. Only the sticky parts left.
Look at that. It looks like mustard a bit, but it's like a pretty silky mustard. So I'm just gonna run this through my hair in some sections, get it nice and moisturized, so that when I'm ready to style, I'll be ready to go. Okay, so I just finished putting the styler in, and listen y'all, my hair is soaking it up. It feels good. I like how my hair still has its volume. The product isn't weighing my hair down, nor does it feel like it's drying out. It feels nice and rich and it smells so good. We're gonna see how this residue goes. It looks like it's starting to seep in, so hopefully that'll be going in the morning, because that's a no-no. Alright, let's get this hair up. Want to see that? I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna start out with, alright, let's get this hair up. I'm gonna start out, okay, when I do my puffs, I like to have like an outer layer, like, I guess you could say framing my face. So I like to leave out some curls in the back, and I like to have bangs, and I kind of sometimes like side, you know. So let's do this bang. We're gonna put this in a rod. 1, 2. Let me get a pick 2. Let's curve that out. Let's sit that there for right now. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead in the back, just to get some curls back here when I do the puff. I like to have some curls sitting back here. It's very easy to style my hair right now with this leave-in. Everything's pulling apart nice and easy. I like that. So you can leave that back there. Now, the hard part, getting this hair up. First, let's get you in a more stable position. Finals is kicking my butt, man. I got hormonal acne and all this stuff. Not cool. Okay, let's go in with the edge gel. Oh, now this looks like honey. Wowzers, that looks like literal honey. I'm just gonna go like, I want you guys to see how my edges look before and after. Oh, that's looking pretty well. If you want to stay there, you can. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I like that. Lucky for you, that's what I like. I'm gonna try to pull some of my smaller hairs out. I like that. I like when these smaller hairs lay down like that. That's what I do. Okay. Ooh, that puff tight. Looking good so far. Yeah. Let's go over here. That's what I know. Like. I look crazy right now, but we're gonna get it together. Okay. And if it's not sitting too high up on your head, you can just pull that up right there. Ooh. But for now, it's sitting. And then I'll just go, don't mind my hair up there, we're gonna take care of that. I'll just go under here. Make sure everything's up on top of the shoelace. Sometimes the hair will wrap under. And then I'll just tie it like a shoe. And then you want to tuck the shoelace. Start at the ends. You want to roll that on nice and neat. Take your time. Make sure the ends is rolled on nice and neat. Get everything on that line. I'm going to go ahead and set these perm rods in my bangs. Make sure it's already tangled before you put it in the rod. Make sure you stop it right there at your root so it's not puffy. Alright. Woo! Fluffy. We're gonna give it some shape when we get this scarf off and get these rollers off. Everything laid down well tonight. Oh my god. Do you guys see like the ombre? How I got my black roots and then my brown ends? I like that a lot. No residue. Okay, let's see how the rods are looking. Yes, sir. Okay, let's just separate that. Oh, I got that a little bit too fuzzy. Bad separation. So I just finished setting my rollers. As you can see, my puff is drying up a little bit, which is good. Let's see what the back is like. So I just opened this curly bangs and a nice curly back. Sorry for all that commotion. So I'm gonna go ahead what's going on and lay my scarf over my edges. Everything is laying down really well right now for my hair to have been wet when we first began.
Oh yes, baby. Yes, baby. Look at that ombre.
Give me life. Shake my puff up a little bit. Oh yes, I should pull it up higher. Oh yes, yes. And make sure I cover up the bridges right here. I love it, guys. Like, I love this. This is great. This is my finals. I'm gonna be cute, studying in the library. You know what's going on, man. All right. Well, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. This is definitely a go-to. Curls gave me all the hydration I needed. I'm gonna go ahead and go. In the future, I may even go for my perm set with this. Everything's feeling nice and dry. It's still hydrated. No residue. I was really worried about the residue, but there's none at all. Guys, this is it. This is silk. My puff feels nice and it's reversible. And it's so pretty. It's hand sewn. Now get this. The owner, she's a young black entrepreneur. She's in high school. And I'm just